This is Linda Nault, and this is my week 4 assignment, my soft skills performance evaluation. Hi, Gretchen. Thank you for asking me to record my performance review. The first topic, communication, I would score myself a 4. I have worked very hard on making sure that the message I'm sending is received clearly, that I am communicating to others the company strategy, the company goals, and really what we are trying to accomplish as a team. Running the 8 o'clock meeting every morning where we're discussing the expected shipments for the day, actions required from everyone, is been critical to my development because we have 18 people in that meeting. And now that it is a Zoom meeting, it is a little bit more of a challenge to communicate and make sure that the pace of the meeting is going well and that people understand the expectations and being able to hold people accountable. So I feel that I've accomplished that successfully. I feel that our results have improved and people leave that meeting understanding exactly what we need to accomplish for the day. Under the category of critical thinking, I would score myself a 5. This is an area that I have significantly grown, especially over the last few months. When the pandemic hit, the business was faced with an emergency situation. We had several issues that we needed to overcome, and I felt that I truly honed in my critical thinking skills to work through problems, resolve issues that the business was facing. In particular, we have this gearbox program that we've been working on for the last year and a half. We were having difficulty getting inventory from the suppliers. The schedules were falling further behind, and my reaction and my ability to find alternate sources of material helped us get back on track and is giving us a small success in a very tumultuous time. Under the category of leadership, I would give myself a 4 as far as score. I feel this is an important role for me, important responsibility for me to learn. I have taken over the project management of the gearbox assembly, which has over 200 different part numbers. I have had to coordinate different groups and different departments as far as production, quality, and engineering to keep the program on budget and on track, and have really been able to break down silos and get people together to resolve any issues that we're facing, any quality issues, any engineering questions, and brought the team together, and we are accomplishing great things. We've got our first article in, and we are ramping up production. To further grow, I would like to take some webinars. Bay Path University and the American Women's College offer several webinars on leadership and women in leadership. So I think I would like to take some time and do those after work and see how I can continue to grow. Under the category positive attitude, I think I would give myself a score of 3. I feel I'm emerging. To be honest, I would say the turmoil of the pandemic and our layoffs and our reduced customer demand has gotten me down. However, I realized that as a leader, we all need to rally together. I need to project a positive attitude, and I am working very hard to make sure that I am emulating that positive attitude and the company values and helping to keep those around me happy and positive as well. Under teamwork, I would score myself a 5. I understand that my role as a leader and a supply chain manager, I'm expected to support my teammates and work well with others. I feel that I do that. I go above and beyond to help support other managers, other employees, my own team, to make sure that we can achieve our strategic goals, that we make our shipments, that we're not floundering, that issues are not being dragged out for several days. I will do whatever it takes. I have moved parts. I have washed parts. I have driven a truck. I will do whatever it takes to get the job done. As far as work ethic, I would score myself a 4. I feel that I meet and exceed expectations most of the time. I give my full attention and my energy to my work while I'm here. I will make myself available on evenings and weekends to provide support, work with my teammates, my coworkers, and my staff know that they can reach out to me at any time and I will get back to them as soon as possible. If I'm sick, I will log in and continue to work to make sure that things are moving and progressing as they should. And my energy level with this gearbox, I think, has proven that I am truly dedicated to my job and being successful. The next category that I chose was one of our core values, sweat the details. I scored myself a 5 here because I'm already a very detail-oriented person, but I understand that in aerospace, flow down of customer information, ensuring that we are ordering, buying, accepting product that meets customer expectations. I understand the criticality of what we're doing. If we have bad material and a plane crashes, that's on us. So I check, I recheck my work. I make sure my work is mistake-free. I check the work of my staff, make sure that we are meeting the expectations of not only ourselves, our customers, and our industry. And I work to find ways to simplify the way that we communicate information so that the details are readily available and we can continue to communicate to our customers in an efficient and clear way. The next core value that I chose to evaluate myself on was make it happen. I scored myself a 5 because I feel that I put a lot of my heart and soul in finding ways to make things happen. Most recently, I was told a bearing was out of stock. I was not going to get it for a month. There was a quality issue and the supplier wasn't going to be able to get parts for me. I had tried the customer to see if the customer had stock they could sell me. They told me no, they didn't have any. And I kept hitting brick walls and I just kept chipping away at it and chipping away at it. And I found an alternate part number that we can use at a supplier. And I was able to save $250,000 worth of shipments, about 10% of our shipments this month. I understand what's at stake. And I really am dedicated to making sure that we get as many successes as possible. Thank you.